Hey, how y'all doing? We're doing Bourbon Spritz today. Straight off of the Maker's Mark website, but it's a good one. Start off filling a large wine glass, or hurricane glass if you can't find one, halfway with ice, add an orange wheel, and then top it off with more ice. There you go. It'll shrink, don't worry. Take your Maker's Mark or bourbon of choice, give an ounce and a half in there. There you go. We got Aperol next, hails from Italy. You're gonna put 1 ounce of that in there. Nice red color, a bit bitter, but not as bitter as Campari. In it goes. Got some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Fresh does make a difference. 3/4 ounce. Splash of simple syrup. Let's call it a 1/4 ounce. And top it off with Prosecco. There you go. A couple ounces, I guess. Oh, yeah, I was a little excited, so I had to take a pause and then, get back in there and top off the glass. Now, you're going to garnish this with mint sprig, and you're going to start sipping on it. The flavor of the drink will change a little bit as the ice melts down and you get closer to the bourbon, but it is excellent. Enjoy, and looks good at the country club.